Everyone, today we want to discuss you about queue. What is queue? Queue is a linear data structure. It follows first in first out sequence. When we compare queue with stack, the stack follows last in last out, but queue follows first in first out. What is first in first out? To understand this, we want to take one real life example. If we go to a movie theater, if the line is up to size 5, it means only 5 people can stand in the line. If sixth person want to enter in the line, the first person has to move. It means the persons are moving from one side and new persons are entering from another side. It is one example. Another example, we consider a toll plaza. In that, vehicles are entering from one side and moving from another side. These are some of examples of queue. We see what for the code of queue. First, in queue there are two parts. One is front part, another one is rear part. What is front part? What is rear part? From the front part, we are eliminating the elements. It means we are deleting the persons from the front part. What is rear part? From the rear part, we are inserting the elements. But from seeing this code, it is entire code of queue. First of all, on the first line, header file section, and the second line, I declared queue size as 5. It means we can able to insert only 5 elements. Another one, I declared static int element. Element means the number which we have to insert in the queue. Here we declared that size of the queue as 5, and here we initialize the front as -1 and rear as -1. If front is -1 and rear is -1, it means there is no queue present, it is empty. First of all, enqueue function. In queue, for inserting we called as enqueue, for deleting we called as dequeue, for displaying we called as display. First of all, enqueue function. Here I used the function parameter as without return without argument. If you go to next line, if r equals to size -1, it means here I declared size as 5. R means in the sense rear. If rear equals to size -1, it means rear equals to 5 -1. I can print it is overflow. It means the queue is full. We cannot able to insert another one more elements. In cinema hall example, we consider only 5 members as capacity of the line. If we want to insert the 6th member, it's not possible. It can possible when we remove the first person, then we add the 6th person. Else, here in else condition, if front double equals to -1, in the sense there is no queue present, at that time we make f as 0. It means 0th index, f equals 0th index. Later on we increment r, because on that rear we are inserting, and from the f, it means from the front we are deleting. Here I incremented the rear, and q of rear equals to element. In the sense, q of that rear part, I am inserting the element. It is all operation of enqueue. Now coming to dequeue operation, it means deleting operation. If front double equals to -1 or rear double equals to -1, it means among front and rear, if any one of them is -1, I can conclude that it is empty. That means that queue is empty, and I am returning r. Why I am returning r? In the sense, according to the function parameter, here it is with return and without argument, so that I am returning r. Else part, if what I am doing, I want to delete from the front, that's the reason I am queue of front, I am placing to ele means element, and I am incrementing the f. After deleting the first element, that front will be gone to first index and then second index, and I am returning the element value. That is entire operation of dequeue. It means while persons standing in cinema hall near the ticket queue, when the first person move and the second person move to front, and third person move to second position, fourth person move to third position, fifth person move to fourth position, and the new person, sixth person, enter into fifth position. Like that, the dequeue operation will perform in the queue. Now the display of function. Here I use the function parameter as without return without argument. If front double equals to -1 and r double equals to -1, I can print it is empty. It means no queue present. Else if I equals to F, in the sense I am printing from front to rear elements, so I initialize I equals to F, I less than or equals to a rear. If we consider I equals to, initially front will be 0 now. That's the reason if I equals to 0 is 0 less than or equals to rear element, condition true, it go into the loop here and print the value. Again it increment I by 1, again it check the condition and it print. It is all about display. Display means to showing that how many elements are present. That's all. Now coming to main method. In main method I written this with using switch cases. Switch cases means the user can enter which it want. For example, I declare as n, and here do means it will do the condition while the condition will become true. Here I will show with execution. See, it is asking 1 for NQ. It means 1 for entering input, 2 for DQ means 2 for deleting, 3 for display. First of all, here I am entering 1 means one element will be insert. It asking to enter that element. I am on to enter 10 here. After entering 10, again it is asking NQ, DQ, display. 1 for NQ, 2 for DQ and 3 for display. And I am again entering input as 1. It asking the element to insert. Now I am inserting the element 20. Again it asking, now I am insert the element as 30. After inserting 30, I want to see the elements, which elements are present in the queue. I want to press 3 for display. It is showing that 10, 20, 30 are the elements. If I want to delete, I want to press 2 here. According to queue, the first element will delete first. Here I entered 10 as a first element. If I press 2, 10 will be deleted. See here. After deleting 10, if I want to display what elements are present, 1 second. And pressing 3. See, display 20 and 30. It means 10 eliminated and displaying 20 and 30. It means in switch cases, I use it here. For case 1, I use NQ means to insert. In case 2, I use delete, for it means to a DQ function. In case 3, I use display. It will display the function. It is the entire code of queue with using switch cases. That's all.